Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
So hey, what's up guys, what's up? If you missed my celebration guys, this is going to be the premiere of some of what happened on my celebration. Nick, pick up yourself.
Why when some people are come and people party, them not being big up all
They want me to stumble like this, so on and
yes.
Let's go. Let's shoot up. Give it a time.
What these people them alone now? Give it a power to the one, yeah.
When I pay my mind, when I pay my mind, you see that?
The people them want to make money and they live like them and enjoy the one, yeah. Come on, come on, come on in. Come on in. Sure. Like that. What the people know you are progressive element? Tell them.
Money from the theater.
Money from the brain, money from the brain. When you make money, you enjoy from the area, you look back. So we press gas. When you see the wicked them, press gas. Shut up, man, drop down. Chicken and beer, don't worry. What the people don't know, so nobody can't body up. Tell them.
Oh, just them up, going up, bust the cylinder. Looking at us, down out the window. We don't like kick in the chest, we don't need.
Bad people are bad people, must have black blood.
Bust the cylinder, colder than winter.
Never let me enter.
What is this swallow? Step on. Bubba, Minnesota.
The skin hot today we are the weather man.
Minnesota.
Long time no we been a plan. So it's hurt to them inside the little man. You the man, make a man like down far. Sada be wake up.
Come now.
That's the echo when you get man. Keep on like shalom.
That's how we.
So when you want
Whew. Let me pause the music for a sec and talk to the people them. So yes, people. Blessings to everyone. What Cubans say, make the broke man roll out. I can't bother with the Cubans. Cubans can go on in it, big up yourself. Blessings to all of Uno people who show me so much love tonight. I really do appreciate it. You understand? Curry full charge up. Of course. Yeah. When I drink, I don't leave my water. When I drink, I have to have water, juice, liquor. I drink bad, that's how I go. See what I drink here? Anyway. I'm not done the back there, no. I'm not done it. I throw the rest of it when I'm done. But yes, people. Thanks to all of you guys. Whether I have no super chat, yes or no, I still appreciate on the same way to come. Because I never have to come out. You understand? And support me. You understand? But just go and big up on yourself. And guys, remember, you guys could join my membership. Come on, guys. Don't be afraid to join the membership. You understand? It's $3.99 a month. Yeah. Be a member because, listen, when I reach 10 members, I'm going to start with some festive members live. Some festive members live with some different thing I go on over there. Some total different thing I go on over there. You understand?
So Anna, yes. Baby. What's up, Anna?
So, Mikito is my co-host tonight. I do a vlog same, you know, while I'm live. That's how I look.
First up, I want to tell people, each and every one, thumbs up the live as you come in. You don't know Alex. You don't know. When you see good as I go on with the thing. You know, say nothing. You know Alex.
You have to reach of age. You know.
Good as. Good as. No, I don't want you disrespect my supporter, you know, because I'm a good supporter with everywhere still.
No,
But,
no,
you
no.
know, no,
Me no entertain kids.
No, him have to have manners still. So,
Me no entertain
Alex,
kids. Him can't tell me some front fat.
Yeah, Alex, you know.
Hide and keep.
Yeah. Then that me all go, you know,
Let me tell you something.
you can't
You see them people up on YouTube? Me tell you something, Makito.
Yeah.
Them are the same one. When me there, and if me go answer them certain way, you go hear them attack, or some other live say, oh, Corey, did I entertain some kids over there? Because some hear them attack about other YouTubers. Then go say me I entertain kids certain way for my thing. You understand? Me no want nobody walk and say, because you see kids are kids. Even though I'm a big, you understand?
Yeah,
they having girlfriend and thing. But this is YouTube. You understand? Yeah. And this is a big platform. And you have to be careful. You understand? Yeah. So yes, people, the vibes was just right. I had so much fun, you know. Blessings to everyone who come out and support me. Remember January the 15th, we will all be heading over to Cuban's Universe channel for his party. And trust me, you gotta have a money war between Gaza and Vendetta to see who have the most money. So on ready? I'm open already. I'm
What you got that smoke I have there?
I don't beg for no.
Let me tell you this again.
Money can't buy life. Money can't buy it. Money can't buy respect. You have to know real way.
And the for them fall because them too hype. And them want to the fruits and the fruits never right.
I don't know where them are come from.
That are usually there in a night.
And you fight all of the fight.
I don't brother themselves put up here and bust a blank for
You
yourself.
see, I know where I come from.
Where they know where we are come from.
I want some of them bad mind people star. I want to them.
We are rising, realizing. The more to stop about me, cut rid of the reprisal. I used to remember, I can't be fully raised, but I'm not to remember. I can't. I did that, Brazil. I take a minus back and plus them people know when we go through them.
Your heart is up there now, pull up.
At 25, I'll have to dirt him. I'm a content creator.
No, you can't dirt me, you. Don't do that. Don't do that.
If you're broken out there,
Don't do that. Dirt me, I'm missing. Dirt me. You can't do that.
Move. You make money move. Making money move. Money move. Make money move. Make money move.
Look, Anna say.
Make money move. Make money move. That one half of the girl, them want to live it any girl now move to that song and she pop down in their life. Come.
No matter where they do, man. No matter where they no matter where they no matter where they come. Money talk, Cuba, money talk. Hold on, Pause the music. Pause the music. The Cuban said, well, I'm going to go back up there. Mind me dirty, you know, youth. The Anna said, Mikita, you get good glass and still I use a grandpa khaki. No, cockery.
Cocker.
What do I mean by cockery? Grandpa. Oh, I'm a glass, yeah. I'm a cup of time. More friend than Anna. Sure. Look here. See me have a cup of man. I just don't want it too big in Anna. See there? Me have a good flowers cup, man. But you don't want to use this a big old cup. More friend than Anna. Sure. Sure. Avoid me na Anna. Because now I don't see you put your money pull up all now. From your company live. And yeah, disrespect me, Keita. Anna, I don't see you put $1 for the money pull up here.
Corey, him no. No, when me there.
Alright. Well, I know, let me show you out tonight. Well, I know, I show you out in my big cup. Can I say a grandpa cup? Me I use grandpa cup. See there? You better know, Anna? See there? Yes.
Jesus. Ono can go ani?
Yeah.
What am I doing with this phone?
Voilà. Sashi Buda gonna embed it. As Sashi Buda here, so
So yes, the live nice. The live nice. It was so hilarious. And support me last night. I really do appreciate it. It didn't have a lot of people, but trust me, the few that was there make a statement. Man,
Gaza never flop. We are done. Don't do that. Gaza never flop.
Cuban got both Super Cash and Cash App. Blessings to all of you guys. It was a oh lord, that 4 hour was worth it, guys. But you know, me have to dash for the live, so I have some clippings for Uno. For all who miss it out, this is what go on.
I swear.
What you say? So that's why you drop this here. But Cubans drop 55.
Well, I know Cuban are coming something else, but me know me a plan for much and now. Trouble need it.
Alright,
Look how trouble need it. Trouble need it. Look how trouble need it. Well, I know look how trouble need it.
Nice. So nice as summer
and this is everybody's live right now. And this is everybody's monetization party. Right now. Watch you now. I know Cuban are come after you know. Look you now.
Mr. Red knew it in 2 days.
Hey, man.
Teacher, she said teacher don't know you.
Teacher don't know me. I'm an original Gaza daddy. Right? In January 2022.
Alright, so Cubans.
Me reminder set.
Cubans going to celebrate his 1K celebration on the 15th of January, which is next month, guys.
People,
next month, guys.
People,
and remember, say, well, I know, Mekito say, him a got done Cubans for him own alive. So people want to come crowd up over Cubans, because we're going to see what go on. It's going to be a bigger money war than what go on tonight. You see what go on? And them kind of something go on tonight. And Mekito, same I go over Cubans, go done it.
That war bigger over there, so people. I mean, I want to host them over there. So people no come.
Suggestions, stroke, search results for download and Sahal Mix Rock Grow.
Yeah. 46 years I'm still around the world. I still know. With everything gods. It's a all of those things that's up here, you love God. Every darkness, dance, everybody went up God dance. When you ready for dance, up that door. What do you think is a cartel? You know?
Yeah, the other one conscious one where money mother color, but you want to be food
Excuse me, no pagans. Can't seek validation.
Man, I see no validation. Blessings to everybody. Listen, when me nice as someone go on. Listen to people. I had so much fun. Blessings to you all. Hear what the man say? Why own a Ferrari when there is nowhere to park it? Why shop a Louis V if there is a Target? Meaning, some people they run got Louis V and them don't have Louis V money. After them buy the Louis V clothes, them broke. You understand? Yeah. Them go Fendi for Chendi. Acres over markets. Enough people are drive the big and the baddest and the hypest car, and them not live no. When you see me as me looking like my last year, me not last, me just a looking at my thoughts and I pray some things of people.
When you see me as looking like my last year, me not last, me just a looking at my thoughts.
Enough for them I wear a mask, yeah. Loyalty come with a cost. Man, I have to ask. Anytime your heart too big, my Lord, them will take you for your fool, Lord. This is why me not like humans.
Too big, my lad, let me take you for your fool, lad. This is why me not like humans.
Baby, it's obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, heart been just to see you, baby. It's obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, heart's been just to see you. All of my ex them are expire. Yes. What's alive, guys? So yes, people, my monetization and 2K party was epic. As I used to show off with Cubans and Mikito, it was a good one. You understand? Big up to everybody who come out and support my monetization party, the live, and big up to everybody who is gonna watch this vlog. You understand? It was an epic one. You see, my first, I'm gonna drink this. I have a drop of noodle soup. I don't know, girl, love our belly. Because guess what? I'm not going to bed hungry. I'm not going to bed with liquor from my stomach. So, blessings to you all. Thank you for making it life with Curry Goodas. I know many, many more milestones is there to come. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Big up on yourself, people. I am out.